Just taking a little break for a second now, have a little clear up. There's quite a lot of welding done there, still got a little bit of dolly work to do, a lot of grinding, and then I'll crack on with getting that next piece in, the external B pillar, and the rest of that will weld there. Line that up, should be okay. But I was quite fortunate to get some assistance with getting the bus off of the ramps. The bus was having a lot of trouble starting, and when I did go to the rear of the bus, I was just checking where the carb was, where the choke on the carb was, etc. And when I went there, I had a lot of smoke coming out of the distributor, so it looks like I was cranking it so much that I've burnt out the electronic module, or the electronic points. But I'm going to have another look at that another day. The plan is to continue getting this wheel well section in, and then I think I shall move to the rear of the bus and get that rear wheel well section welded up before I move on to other things. Just forming this last piece now with the sandbag and the mallet. Nearly got the shape there, but it's a little bit short underneath. I've cut it a little bit too short, but I may be able to weld a little piece in there. Nearly there. Keep hammering.